Doesn't matter what is said or not.
So which piece are you going to replace?
Okay, now
Steve?
turn it off.
So this is the artwork of, and could you introduce yourself?
Steve?
Dichroic Glassman.
Dichroic Glassman. This
Look at
is
that.
beautiful.
This is just,
So
that
tell
is
us
so
a little
cool.
bit about this. You were saying, tell us about all the pieces.
Well, the galactic disc is my specialty right now. I innovated the dichroic bevels and jewels that you see in this piece about 18 years ago. I'm the founder of this movement in stained glass. Well, as years have gone by, I'm looking to even push my frontiers farther. And the galactic disc would be one of the ways of doing that. It's a complicated disc. It takes me 2 days to make one. And it's done. I make my own pattern, and then there's two of them. There's two units, one on the front, one on the back.
Okay.
And they look like a spaceship from the side, and they're done in a kiln. So I have to slump them.
Really?
And then the rest is copper foil and my imagination. And since I'm colorblind, almost 100%, I have no boundaries.
Are the two pieces glued together with
Especially,
music?
in a special way,
Okay.
because they have to be waterproof.
Okay.
When I clean my windows, I clean them with, as you know already on YouTube, with Dawn and water.
Mm-hmm.
They have to be pretty much submersible. So with that said, those discs have to be ultra flat in order to put them together. They're glued with a special glue, and then put together and then reinforced with copper foil.
Cool.
So I learned on the first one, as I cleaned it and bubbles and soap were inside, oh, it was frustrating. I had to take it apart and clean up my process.
All right. Which is really Tiffany's plating method in a way. Tiffany had to do the same thing when he did plating.
Oh. I
You
didn't
know, where
that.
they put the two pieces of glass together and
Oh,
foiled them all around
I
also.
see.
So,
I see.
but he didn't have the advantages of the glues that you have.
Yeah, today we're
So-
spoiled. We've got all kinds of epoxies, glues. We've got an oily glue. It's called oily glue, and it sets up immediately. And we've got, of course, super glue and E6000. So we have a lot of possibilities.
On this piece here, is this a single piece of beveled
No,
with
well,
with the
yeah, it's
with a dichroic?
It's a stock bevel laminated with dichroic.
Okay, okay,
And that's the movement I started a long time ago. Now
Yeah.
look at the yellow piece down at the bottom. That's
This one
called
here?
flute, the
Yeah.
clear texture, and that's laminated as well. So you can do certain clear textures as well as bevels and jewels. The rule is the back of the bevel, jewel, or whatever has to be smooth, mirror smooth. And
okay,
only clear glass is mirror smooth. Glue chip, because glue chip starts out as clear glass. Not a lot of people know that. Glue chip starts out as clear double strength glass.
yeah,
And then it's sandblasted and then glue put on it and yada yada. So only certain textures work with the lamination process. But it adds a lot of glitz.
man.
This one goes to Bountiful. I have to repair a piece in there. And then it'll go up the street.
It's going to Bountiful, huh?
And it is going to be Bountiful.